How to use Breezhaler. Pull off the cap. Hold the base of the inhaler firmly until the mouthpiece to open the inhaler, so the center chamber is showing. Remove one capsule from the blister immediately before use. Press the capsule into the capsule chamber. Close the mouthpiece until you hear a click. Holding the hand inhaler with the mouthpiece point up. Pierce the capsule by firmly pressing together both side bottle in the same time. Do this only once. Breath out away from the device. Put the mouthpiece between your teeth and seal your lips tightly around it. Breathe in forcefully and deeply through your mouth, so you should hear or feel the capsule vibrate. Remove the Breezhaler from your mouth and hold your breath for 10 seconds or as long as comfortable. Breathe out slowly through your mouth or your nose. Open the mouthpiece, remove the used capsule and dispose it. Close and clean the mouthpiece by tissue or dry lint-free cloth. Replace the cap. Author recommendations. Repeat all steps for each puff ordered by your physicians with 1 to 5 minutes in between puffs. If you have too tight of device, you should use the bronchodilator device first, wait a few minutes, and then followed by the corticosteroid device. Always check the number of capsules that show the remaining doses. One pack contains 30 capsules. Use the Breezhaler continuously, followed by the doctor's order. Should not stop the medication by yourself. Always keep the Breezhaler inhaler and the capsules in dry press.